Hey guys, Xskeletal here. Welcome back to the tutorial on how to code in Python. Today we're going to be discussing the random function, or whatever it's called. I'm just going to call it function because I can do whatever I want. So, Alright, so you're probably wondering, how am I going to use this, okay? So imagine this. You want to create, I don't know, probably let's say, you want to create like a test, right? And you want to randomly print answers or numbers, question numbers, all right? So you could use it like that. That's just an example, or you could even use it for like a rock paper scissors game. But today we're just gonna be working with numbers. I might do strings because strings. I haven't really worked with strings in the random thing. So first thing you want to do is you want to type import random. This is basically going to allow you to use the random feature later on. Because if you don't do this, then, alright, so let's just, you know what, I'll get to what happens if you don't use it. So just type this, okay? I'll explain it in a minute, alright? So then you have your random, right? So now you want to create a variable which has the random. So I like to call mine randy, or just random. You could call it whatever. I'm just going to call it random. I was taught using Randy. My teacher who taught me Python just told me to use Randy. Well, let's use random for... No, let's not. Let's use Randy. I was taught using Randy, so we're going to use Randy. So Randy equals random dot rand it. Randed? I think that's right. Right? So then we're gonna put parentheses. I called them brackets last episode. So that was weird. Actually, I wanna make sure I'm not losing it. If I were to do randomness, okay, so you can use something other than Randy. Let's just use Randy for today, right? Sorry if your name's Randy, but you're gonna get used a lot in this video. All right, so you have your thing, right? Well, let's say you want to import a few numbers, right? So let's say 1 equal to 2, 2's equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4, right? And I forgot. So if you're going to use a number, or if you want something to equal a number, you don't use 1 equal, you use 2 equal signs, alright? So now you have your variables, right? Or let's just, to avoid confusion, let's just put these to 1, 2, and 3, right? So now you would, instead of doing this, you wouldn't do that, okay? You're just gonna do 1, 3, alright? So now this is basically choosing one of these 3 to choose, right? And you can do multiple. You could do 4 is equal to 4. You could go on forever, right? Endless possibilities, right? And you can just go 1 through 5, right? So go ahead, make some more variables, or whatever. I don't know what they're called, but alright. So now that you have this, you're going to want to print what you have, right? So print Randy. Alright? Now if we run this, we get random things. See? 5. So first is 1, 1, 5, 1, 3, 3 again. Right? So I would have a mini project for you guys, but I've only taught you 2 things. The random and how to print. So I mean there's really no reason I should give you a mini project, but keep practicing, guys. Next tutorial we're going to be discussing input, which will have the user input like their name or whatever, and then we're going to use the random function along with that. So we'll be using all 3 things to make a bigger mini project. Alright, guys? So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Hope you guys learned something today. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!